Welcome to the lab session on enumeration. So in this lab session you are going to see how we perform the enumeration using the SMTP protocol. To perform this lab we have two virtual machines. One is Metasploitable 2. So this is the target machine on which we are going to perform the SMTP enumeration. Then either we can use the Kali Linux or Parrot, okay, either any one of them, okay, to perform the enumeration technique. So in the enumeration we are going to find the user names in the target machine. So this is the objective of our lab today. So through the SMTP protocol we are going to see how we find the user names in the target machine. So I need some help, so I have opened the ChatGPT. Okay, so let's follow the steps. So first let us check whether the SMTP port is open in the target machine. So I am going to the target machine IP is the Metasploitable 2 I am using. Its IP is 192.168.116 and 25 is the port number for the SMTP protocol. So I am checking and it is open. So it is not blocked, it is open. This particular port is open. So this is the first step you are doing. So now next is, let us use a tool. The name of the tool is SMTP-USER-ENUMEration, this tool. Suppose you don't have this tool, okay, then you have to install that. So I type this. So this tool is already available. In case it is not available, then it would prompt you to install, and you can install that in your machine. And also it is giving us the example, the syntax, okay, so that we can follow. So now we are going to see how to find a specific user in the target machine. So let us take this command. Okay, so let us take this command. Okay, so our target machine is 1. So paste selection, I go to the last one. So 192.168.1.16 and then I go to this. So in case you have the list of users in your system, then we can use that. But now what I am going to show you is that I am going to MSF admin. I am going to check whether a particular user exists in the target machine or not. So I know that there is a user already in the Metasploitable 2. The name of the user is MSF admin, and I want to check whether this particular user, okay, exists in that machine or not. So I make this flag as small u instead of capital, okay, and then I enter, and you can see the MSF admin, this particular user exists in the target machine. Okay, so there is a variation of this command. Suppose you want to check list of Linux users or Windows users, then you can use that list here. So I'll show you how to do that. So the next command is this Okay, so this is the next command, SMTP -users-enum -m capital PRFY verify capital U/capital U. Then this is the list of users, Unix users already exist in the Kali machine. Okay, you have so many predefined user list. So we can use this list to find whether the users in this list exist in the target machine or not. Instead of giving each and every user one by one, here in this command, like we give only one user, right, small u, and check. Instead of that, if you have a list of users already, or you have your own list, or you want to use the list in the Linux system, this is the path and the file name of the file name which contain the list of users. So when you give this, you can see it is performing the enumeration using the SMTP protocol, using the VRFY mode. Okay, so it has found these users. Bin is a user existing, it is existing backup. Okay, so these are the list of users that exist in the target machine. So this is a very good example for the enumeration using the SMTP protocol. And SMTP protocol, which is used in the sending email to the email servers. It's a protocol which uses the port number 25. So now, so far we have seen two examples of enumeration. Okay, so we have seen this. First we check the port number, and then we use this command. Okay, so SMTP-USER-ENUM command. Okay, so here I showed you how to verify a specific user or a list of users in the target machine. So the mode here we are using VRFY, but if you want, we can use other modes which are these are available in the SMTP protocol. Okay, so you can let us see what happens. So I go to the verify mode, this, and then I change to EXPN. So we have to wait for some time. So it doesn't produce the results. There is another mode, we will explore that also. RCPT. So RCPT also is working fine. So both RCPT and the VRFY mode are working fine. So you can find the explanation for this RCPT. Okay, so RCPT in the context of SMTP, RCPT recipient and EXPN expand are commands used for various purposes in the email delivery process. So these commands are supported by the email delivery process. Okay, under the SMTP protocol. So we have done through this. Now let us see the Telnet. Okay, so Telnet to SMTP server. So now Telnet is a protocol which is used to connect to the remote machine. The communication exists as a plain text, Telnet. Okay, so the IP address of the target, and yeah, we are going to use the port number 25. So Okay, it's unable to connect to the remote host, no route to host. Oh, I made a mistake. So 16 is the correct IP address. So it has connected with the target machine. Now let's explore the various commands. So what we can do is we can use this vrfy verify, then we can say a specific username, for example msf admin. Okay, so it means that this particular user exists in the target machine. Then we are fy root. Okay, it exists in the target machine. For fy I put shimas. So you can see that this recipient address rejected, user unknown. So that means this particular user exists in the target machine. MSF admin also exists in the target machine. However, this particular user shimas doesn't exist in the target machine. So through this telnet also we are able to do the enumeration successfully. Okay, so let's continue the next one. Using the Metasploit module for SMTP enumeration. So let's do this. So let me, if you want, you can continue in the Kali. Simply for no reason I am changing the virtual machine, otherwise I can do this in the Kali also, no issues. So I open the Metasploit framework. So no, I just don't want to confuse you. Okay, so let me close this. So let me close this and open another screen. So I am opening the Metasploitable framework. Sorry, Metasploit framework. So it's taking some time. So now here, once you come here, so you can use a command called search SMTP. So we need the exploits for the SMTP. Okay, so there are many, these are list of exploits for the to exploit the vulnerability in the SMTP. Okay, so I am going to find some exploit which is easy for us to perform the enumeration. Okay, so you have so many exploits. So let me check which one is the best one. So we have so many exploits, so I am confused little which exploit to use. So let me go to the exploit number 21 first. Okay, so you can see the exploit. So each exploit has a specific number. So okay, so if I want to use a specific particular exploit, then I can refer the number, so I can say use 21. Okay, so I put like okay, so it's so it is show options. So we have to specify the, you can see that show options, the target IP is missing, so set our host. Okay, so IP 1.16. okay, then so I put run. So you can see this particular process helps us to find the domain name. So Metasploitable local domain is the FQDN, fully qualified domain name of the target, and SMTP, it is giving some information about the SMTP. I hope this is the version of the SMTP. Okay, so these are little basic information, and also the target operating system also we are getting some information. So the basic, very elementary level informations we are obtaining through this command. So this is very interesting. This is the domain name. There is a domain in the target machine, and it's Metasploitable local domain. Okay, so now I want to come back, okay, using the back command. Then like search again SMTP, so it will show various exploits. So already we have done with the 21, so it's a banner grabber, so we got some basic information. In fact, we got the operating system also in the target machine. So let's explore the another well-known exploit for the SMTP. So it's 25. Okay, so our objective is to enumerate the users. Okay, so use 25. Okay, so show options. Okay, so here you can see the our host is still missing, so set our host. Okay, set our host is 192.168.1.16. so we fix the target. So now you can see the options. Now the target has been fixed. So now what you can do is you can exploit or run, whatever you want to use, exploit or run. So you are getting some basic information. Okay, so these are some basic informations. Now you can see this command, it took a lot of time, maybe almost 5 minutes. Finally the result has come, and these are the list of users found in the target machine. Okay, so using Metasploitable framework, we were able to find the users in the target machine based on the Unix user list, which is already available with the Kali machine. So in this folder there is a set of users already available. Okay, so the Metasploitable framework, when you use this particular exploit, so exploit number I think we used exploit number 25. Yeah, so when we use the exploit number 25, okay, implicitly automatically it has taken the user list from this file, and it searched in the target machine, and it has verified that these users which are found in the list are available in the target machine. Okay, so now we finish this Metasploit module. Then finally we end up this enumeration lab session on using the Nmap command. Okay, so Nmap, we will see the Nmap. So I exit. Okay, so I can say locate *.nse. so we are going to use scripts. So I want to search these scripts which are available with the Kali to enumerate using SMTP protocol. So then grep -e. So I want only the scripts for SMTP. So this is a command. So now if you use this command, you will get the list of scripts available in the Nmap library. Okay, we'll use one by one. So Nmap, so sudo su, okay, Nmap. Okay, then I'll say that script. Okay, script equal, let's try this. Okay, SMTP enum users. Okay, -p 25 192 168 1.16. So so this particular command, in fact, it should enumerate the list of users in the target machine. Okay, so this particular command. Okay, so let's check this command. However, this command is not working because it is disallowed in the target machine. So the target machine is not allowing the execution of this particular script. Okay, so in some target machines, okay, so you can be successful that if you execute this command, you can we are using this particular script. So this particular script would allow us to bring us the list of users in the target machine. Okay, so that's all I have for the enumeration topic. So these are other different commands for the Nmap, but this particular is very important to enumerate the users. So it is not working, and I think you can. Okay, so far among the 7, almost all other techniques were